5 Quranic verses about patience. 1. Surah Al-Baqarah, chapter 2, verse 153. Indeed, Allah is with the patient. Inna Allaha ma'as sabirin. 2. Surah Az-Zumar, 39, verse 10. Indeed, the patient will be given their reward without account. Innama yuwaffa sabirun ajrahum bighayri hisab. 3. Surah Al-Anfal, and be patient. Indeed, Allah is with the patient. Wasbiru, inna Allaha ma'as sabirin. 4. Surah Al-Baqarah 245, and seek help through patience and prayer. Wasta'inu bis-sabri was-salat. 5. Surah Al-Imran 3200. O you who have believed, persevere and be patient. Ya ayyuha lavina amanu, asbiru wasabiru. Which verse touched your heart the most? Comment below and share with someone who needs this reminder.